Okay, so this is the DC water pump, my second part, and I'm going to take out the wires here, and I'm going to check if the motor is running out. So there are two pumps. These are the two pumps. So let me try with one of the pump. Okay, so this is the negative and this is the positive. So we'll try and see whether it works or not. So see, it's working. All right, we can hear the sound. So let me join these two pipe and then we'll see. All right, both the pumps are working. So I'm going to connect the wire. I'm going to connect this pipe. This is pipe just for test. Actually, this size is too big for the pipe, so I need a smaller one. This one is for half inch, so half inchy, and let me try with this pipe. And this one. Actually, I need a small hole. Alright, so this is the battery, 12 volt battery.